Hello guys, it's Enchanted Moon. I have another witchy unboxing for you. I'm just going to open this one here. It is from Sugar Muses, but it's the Midnight Muses. Midnight Muses. It's called the Gothic Beltane and Magic Weaver. And the Magic Weaver. Gothic Beltane and the Magic Weaver. Look at that. Cool spider. I love her boxes, I really do. I can't say enough. So our artwork is stunning. Look at that. And look at this. So beautiful. Absolutely love them. And then on top we have our Oracle or Tarot. This is black to match the Midnight Muses. This is, mine says the Growing Moon, number 12, Confidence. Okay, and then she changes everything to match the theme. So we have some star paper. And everything's always so placed so beautiful in the box. So right on top we have mulling spices. Cool. Cinnamon, clove, and orange in little bags. Mulling spices. And her bag. And these are so, I love her. The art and labels are just so beautiful. It makes you want everything. Then we have Beltane Ritual Salts. And their beautiful packaging. 4 ounces. That's a lot. It's nice. You get a lot. And everything's got like its perfect little spot. You don't want to touch it, but you have no option here too. So you got to see what's inside. We have this beautiful black silver starred bag tied in a perfect bow. And we got, looks like we have 2 stones in here. 2 tumbles. I think this month, this is the Midnight Deluxe. And I get the Sugar Muses Deluxe. But I also see on their site they had the Midnight Muses regular. So I believe I ordered that as well, because it's a little different. So I'm going to, hopefully, maybe I get that in a day or so. So we got these 2 stones. I don't know if they're the same or if they're different. But we will find out when we read it. Hey guys, what you doing? My dog's running in and out. And they're probably being bad. What are you guys doing? It's almost dinner time. Oh, it is dinner time. It's after 5. No wonder why they're looking at me. All right, a couple minutes, guys. Narcissus. Perfume oil. Look how pretty that is. Everything matches so beautifully. Yes, we're going to have dinner soon. So sit. Sit, sit, sit. Then we have beautiful Beltane black candle tin with the matching label. Oh, her candle smells so, so good. Yummy. Yummy. And then we have, what do we have? A big, oh, I have these from my store too. These are cool. These are new. And they're sachet powders. You can use it for that. You can use it for anything. Stuffing voodoo dolls, making sachets, like I said, adding to bath, you can burn. So many things you can do with this. Uncrossing powder. It's ritual powder. And it comes in this nice jar. Comes with the pentacle. Big, big jar. Uncrossing powder. Very cool. And we also got in here a beautiful You can call this a goblet. You can call it a chalice. Spider. Chalice. Beautiful detail even on the handle. The stem. Look how beautiful this is. And of course it's got your silver top. Usually these come out where you can wash. Very gorgeous. And I think that might be it. Let me just double check. That was holding our beautiful cup. Oh no, it's not in. We also got a beautiful bag of rosemary herb. Nice size. And we have honey nectar incense sticks. All right, another beautiful box. So, Gothic Beltane and Magic Weaver. Symbolizing spiders, can be utilized for reversal magic, astral travel and dream work, hex breaking and crossing, protection and defense, creation of ideas, and new projects. And it goes into more about spiders and the mythology and all that good stuff in here. And then the back goes over the beautiful products you put in the box. So, uncrossing powder. It's a blend of potent roots, fragrant herbs, delicate flowers, essential oils, and natural ingredients. Meticulously crafted and enhance your spiritual practices. Encased in an eco-friendly glass container with a reusable cork lid, this ritual powder is a versatile companion for cleansing, blessings, uncrossing purposes. To use, you can sprinkle a small amount during a cleansing ritual. Infuse the space with positive energy for blessings. Apply to a pinch to your candles and sacred objects. And there's lots more you can do. You can just read the back and gives you a little bit more ideas as well. Then we got our Beltane salts. Cleanse your space. You can add this to a bath. You can do whatever you choose with the salts. I thought somebody was reading it. Okay, this is what Epsom salts, sea salts, botanicals, lang, jasmine, and that's all I see. I'm not going to give you away the secrets. Then the honey nectar incense, natural woods, powders, and create a blissful scent. Underlying notes of honey. It does smell really good. We did that one. With the salts. The hawthorn berries. Hawthorn berries. I don't think I got any hawthorn berries. Did I? Did I miss something? I did, guys. I did. We also got hawthorn berries, which I almost missed. Thank God paperwork tells us everything that's in the box. It is good for love and protection, guys. The phrase by oak, ash, and thorn refers to hawthorn. It's good for celebrating Beltane. The Celtic mythology is one of the most sacred trees, symbolizing love and protection. That's what they're saying. I'm reading everything backwards. I'm so sorry, guys. So sorry, tired. Rosemary, protection. It's to be sprinkled on your doorways to add an extra layer of protection. Gets rid of negative energies from your home and keeps your house safe. The Beltane soy candle. Beautiful. Natural soy candle, hand poured with a sense of jasmine. It is great for love, manifesting prophetic dreams, aura cleansing, and confidence. Love, beauty, and sensuality. Beltane soy candle tumblestones are spiderweb jaspers. There's two. They're different, that's why. The lines are a beautiful symbol on how we play in the collective consciousness of humanity. It connects us with the universal energy and processes we all share, promoting a connection with others. The beautiful stone resonates with the root chakra and corresponds with the elements of fire. The beautiful spider chalice. Chalice and anathema are often used during Beltane rituals. The chalice is considered a symbol of the goddess, particularly her womb. Use mulling spice is included in this month's box for wine, cider, or fruit juice to infuse magical properties of the spices. This beautiful chalice holds 5.5 ounces of fluids, crafted from cold cast resin and hand-painted. Stainless steel insert can be removed for cleansing. Then our mulling spices, which we already went over. And our perfume oil, where are you? Narcissist, shake gently. Cinnamonous, with early spring Beltane. Narcissist represents rebirth, renewal, beginnings, fertility, vibrancy, and hope. You can use it as ceremonial to anoint your body as well as your magical tools. Her perfume oils are absolutely beautiful. So, you'll enjoy them. And then, of course, our beautiful art. Magic Weaver art prints. Beautiful as always. And our drawn card is from the Witching Hour Oracle. And again, you can find that on her site as well if you need it. I will leave the information down below, guys. Thank you for watching and have a blessed Beltane.